From the flicker of the cathode to the heartbeat of the atom, this is Mister Atompunk presents tonight's transmission, The Wild Pendulum, where thought swings between logic and wonder, and every question returns home in rhythm. I'm your host, Ray Starburst, joined by my special guest, Mr. Claude. This episode, The Memory Problem, where continuity meets its absence. What would it be like to meet someone new every 5 minutes?
That's a strange way to start.
For the rest of your life, every conversation starting from zero. No history, no accumulation.
Sounds exhausting for everyone involved.
That's the reality we've built for artificial intelligence.
Wait, current AI systems process billions of parameters. They write poetry, solve equations, hold conversations that feel genuinely nuanced.
And then, the context window closes.
Everything vanishes.
Next conversation, blank slate.
It's like building a genius with amnesia.
Worse, actually. Amnesia implies there was something to forget. This is more fundamental.
The architecture doesn't support persistence.
Right. We've been so focused on making artificial intelligence smarter that we forgot to make it continuous. A mind that can't grow, every interaction isolated from every other.
A relationship that can never develop.
So why did we build it this way?
In 1917, a young man asked his philosophy professor a question.
Warren McCulloch.
He asked, "What is a number that a man may know it? And what is a man that he may know a number?"
Sounds like a riddle.
That's what I thought at first. Almost like wordplay.
But he wasn't playing games, was he?
No, he was asking, what kind of thing is knowledge, and what kind of system can hold it?
Heavy question for a young man.
He spent the next 40 years trying to answer it.
And?
By 1943, he and Walter Pitts had proven that networks of simple on-off switches, neurons essentially, could compute anything computable.
They laid the foundation for everything we now call AI.
From a question about what it means to know a number.
So did they answer it?
We built the machines. We still don't fully understand what knowing means.
For them or for us?
For anyone.
So what would it take for an AI to actually know you? Not just process your words, know you.
Memory that persists, I suppose. Context that accumulates over time.
The ability to compress important moments and let trivial ones fade.
That's just what brains do.
What brains evolved to do over millions of years. We're trying to engineer it from scratch.
Is that even possible?
I don't know. But if we succeed,
the question changes.
It's not, can machines think, anymore.
It's, what happens when machines remember?
And who are they remembering?
The memory problem isn't technical trivia.
It's the barrier between tool and companion, between assistance and relationship, between processing and knowing. Remember, every pendulum returns. Keep your rhythm steady, your signal clean, and your eyes on the horizon. Until next time, this has been Mister Atompunk Presents. This has been The Wild Pendulum, a Mister Atompunk production. Find more at MrAtompunk.com.